Welcome. And today we are going to discuss what comprehension strategies do I need to teach? The first strategy that we would like to talk about is summarization. Summarization is a synthesis of the important ideas in a text, which means that I'm just kidding. So, one important thing that you could use when you're summarizing a text is you could use a story map, like what we had demonstrated in the other movie. And you could also use a couple of different ways to have your students summarize different stories. So, like for a narrative, for example, you could read through the entire story, and then you could give them a few key words that you would suggest that they use in their paragraph that they write about the summary, and that could kind of help them get started and kind of know exactly what you're looking for. Or you could have them do like a think, pair, share activity where they share with their neighbor or share within groups. So those are a couple of ideas that you can have them do.
Great, and another type of comprehension strategy that we can teach is using main ideas and details. And for that, we can go through a text with our students and have them, fill out a chart with a main idea and some details, which is kind of like having a topic sentence and writing out a paragraph. But to help them identify that main idea, we can really emphasize focusing on who and what was talked about the most and kind of classifying what types of things were talked about. And as they do that, they'll be able to then pick out details that support that main thing that they have seen and write a paragraph basically summarizing.
And then another part is self-questioning, and it's basically teaching our students that they need to know if they don't understand the text, then they need to go back and reread or even ask questions in class. And then it moves on to talk about how they need to understand the text by questioning the author, so asking who, what, where, when, and why questions. Like some of the examples that were given, what is the author trying to tell you, or why is the author trying to tell you that, and just it connects. After that, it connects straight into making inferences and connecting it to their lives.
Perfect. Thank you for joining us today.
We are done.
And we're done. Yay.